Hello everybody, welcome back, and I'm going to talk about week 9 because last time we talked about week 8, and for week 9 we have a logician's view, and in this logician's view we are going to talk about deduction, induction and fallacies. Then logic is an anatomy of thought, and this was said by John Locke. Then using formal logic for critical thinking. Formal logic is a discipline of philosophy that studies the nature and structure of arguments abstracted from their content. Formal logic emerged in the ancient world and was developed further during the Enlightenment in 1685 and 1815, a time of great scientific ferment as an attempt to understand truth according to the prior rules. Now, consider the structure of an equation. If A plus B is equals to C, then C plus D is equals to bracket A plus B bracket plus D. Then this formula expresses logic truth no matter what number you plug into the letters. The variables can change but not the truth of the matter. If the first proposition is true, the second must be true too. Then we talk about deduction. The basic aim of the deductive reasoning is to start with some given premise and extract from its conclusion a logic consequence that is concealed but implicit in it. Example of a deduction: Texas is larger than California. California is larger than Arizona. Therefore, Texas is larger than Arizona. The examples of deduction: we have disjunction, we have dilemma, we have conjunction, consistency, contraction. Then we have paradox too. Yes. We talk about induction. Induction is relevant to one kind of assertion only. One kind of assertion such as definition, mathematical equations, and moral or legal norms simply are not the product of inductive reasoning and cannot serve as a basis for other inductive thinking. In induction, we have observation and inference, they have generalization, and we have relation. Then we also have probability. The probability of each of the hypotheses that follow relative for 1.0 is smaller than 1.0. You need to worry here about how much smaller than 1.0 the probabilities are. We talk about fallacies. The straight road on which sound reasoning proceeds gives little latitude for reasoning about. Then carelessness, passionate attachment to one's unexamined belief, and the sheer complicity of some issues occasionally spoil the reasoning of even the best of us. Like, you're just trying to say like carelessness or any small thing that you do, even beliefs, or like it can like spoil what we think about that thing. It can change our opinion about that particular thing. Then my response: I learned about using logic format in critical thinking. I learned about deduction and examples of deduction. Like I said, I learned about induction. I learned about fallacies. Thank you, and see you next time.